Edo State police don't arrest one man because of say wetin this man beat him wife to death. E be like say this man beating he carry supernatural powers follow am for body. Because I sure say this man don't go soak in hand inside ogogoro. Because I don't know the kind beating wey one pan beat your wife, be say the thing go come lead to death. This Mr. Christopher, we gotta say this man a confirm smoker. Better one, and aside down in the drink to stupor wey be say if you dey waka like this, you go dey stagger for road. Now this kind man, that's what this man can be. According to him pikin now, wetin lead to this woman death? They say the papa call the mama say, "Mommy, chichi o, abeg go come borrow me 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira, pere." Now wetin cause death? They say the woman come tell us he no get, and this man come out around 9 p.m. As the wife no get, now there this man starts pouncing, beating, blowing for 9 p.m. Abeg, you no even think as abeg make I even sleep small rest. Tomorrow morning make we start our fight that night. Now this man come start this kind thing. Abeg, people wey dey love, how this thing dey take turn to hatred? Because I no dey understand. Before you marry this man, before this woman go even born for you, you dey show am love. You go dey say, "I love you. You are the sugar in my tea. You are the butter in my," all those kind things. But now it don't turn to money matter. You can't dey reason say the woman no give you, so you won't come kill her. Now so love dey be. If na so love be, abeg, make everybody find square root. It means that this love self, e no even dey worth am at all. But this man partner beat his wife finish. They say as he beat his wife, he can't leave her. The pikin, this Augustine, come on, they don't overbeat my mom, make her run, go give my mama medicine. This papa still using evil mind, collect the medicine. Torian! Una dey see person husband, una dey see person life head of what's that go even call herself? Head of house. Collect the medicine Torian say, "Make they no give the woman medicine." Now the woman herself come think, okay, she no get any choice. Auntie comes, make she go bath, come back. She go bath or sit down outside as husband they misbehave. Make she take fresh air, relax her mind from fight. Now there this man, and I say this man, evil spirit they follow. Now just pure troublemaker and drunkard. The man can go lock the children inside room, can go meet the wife. For night to start to beat this woman again. This woman say she don't already weak from the start. Now there, before we go see, she don't pay me. On a see wetin check by the cost. On a they see wetin ogogoro the cost. Person where you know say she don't already tire, you can't start to beat her. Before neighbors go even come outside, this woman don't die. Now wow, all this kind of husband where people they marry now, I know they even understand. On top of how much 2,000 naira, you will be husband. If not be say you be lazy man, what thing make you no go fit work? Collect your 2K. Hey, Ghana people now 20 cedis so ordinary 20 cedis. Now this man won't kill himself on top. When be say he say borrow. The woman say, "I no get." Which one come be your own? People where they enjoy inside beating relationship, I hope say that they see what thing they happen. I hope say that they hear. Person will be saying a lazy husband. If they give him, I sure say that 2,000 naira, they will give him. Now drinking go is a drink. Now go is a do because all this kind they no go use the money to do better thing. So as the woman no give her like this, now make them frustrate. People where they toxic relationship, make them they careful. Because all this kind of relationship, sooner or later, it go they lead in an inside grave. If you no come out from him now. They go they tell you, come out, they do, I love him, he love me. The day where your eye go clear, you go know say this kind of love, now fake love. Now there you go know say love no even day, you just they pity the man. Because this kind of matter now, if not be say you they manage with this, I no see the reason. You now they take care of this family, you they okay. So what you see they do with this kind of go they beat you? What you make you know if you come out? So now on top of 2K, they just kill you. They don't risk. In fact, they don't waste your life because of nothing. In fact, my people, this kind of marriage matter, I really like put my mouth inside. Because if you put her mouth today, tomorrow, and that's now you come here. But I hope say this woman so go rest in peace. And I don't know as the papa won't take one. They go take care of the children. I mean, our government go carry the children. Maybe they try find support for these children because these children don't suppose they with this man. If not, it's kind of what this man go do for these children. One day, they go just hear say, then these children self don't die. My people, I hear this one. I want to make her bring her reaching aside, making herself using her ear, hear what thing they happen. Anything where in our field, make her not forget to write them inside the comments. Make her not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self will see what we yarn about. I will see you now for our next video.